Make this roasted sweet potato and aubergine salad with tahini dressing for a vibrant and wholesome dish packed with bold flavors and satisfying textures. Preheat your oven to 425 Fahrenheit. Then drain and clean a can of chickpeas, then place them on a clean dish towel or paper towel, rolling them around with a little pressure to remove the skins. Separate the skins from the chickpeas, then place the chickpeas on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. This is an optional step, but it will make them crispier. How to prepare the rest of the vegetables. We'll start with the sweet potato, cutting them in 1/4 inch cubes, placing them on the tray beside the chickpeas. And then for the aubergine, because it is a softer vegetable, you can cut them in about 1/2 inch cubes. The difference in size will allow for the vegetables to cook evenly at the same time on the same tray. Sprinkle the cubed aubergine generously with salt to help extract any bitterness from the aubergine while it bakes. Drizzle the sweet potato, chickpea, and aubergine with lots of nice olive oil, and then sprinkle with your favorite seasoning. I love using this falafel spice, but you can substitute it with cumin, smoked paprika, and chili powder. Then into the preheated oven it goes for an initial 20 minutes before we'll toss them around. While it's roasting, let's start with the dressing. Combine olive oil, sesame tahini, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, some maple syrup for a little bit of sweetness, and then some freshly ground pepper and some nice sea salt. Whisk the tahini dressing until nice and smooth, and then we'll get back to our vegetables. After that 20 minutes, give them a nice toss and place them back in the oven for another 10. While they're getting their final roast, chop up some fresh vegetables like cucumbers, onions, and fresh parsley. Let the roasted vegetables cool for 5 to 10 minutes and then place them on top of a bed of lettuce with your fresh bell peppers, fresh parsley and onion, and then drizzle on that tahini dressing. Get the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.